we have here a nice batch of 10 mid-19th century engraved images that all relate to England. These are city views, some of them, like of Manchester and Cambridge. And here's Newcastle upon Tyne. And here's Durham with the cathedral. Okay, and they're all in England. They're all done, these engravings are all done by the Meyer firm of Germany. And there is a little bit of toning and some light spotting and so on. But as you can see, the majority of the engraved image areas remain clean and attractive. And this batch is available as a group online from me, Brian DeMambro.